Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Ocean City, Maryland, and right now it's raining so hard. 100 feet up high, and it's thundering next to the Atlantic Ocean. I'm in Ocean City right now. It is starting to hail. I think I have to go to the lock. Alright, so guys, it is hitting, the storm is hitting, but there is wind. Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh. I heard some noise. I don't know what it was, but I heard some noise. Alright. We're 100 feet up in the sky. It's not that high, it's several. But yeah. So I see the rain moving because of the wind. Yeah. Alright. But I went through worse. I've been through storm. Like, look at the lamp. You cannot see it, but the wind is, the rain is moving. It's going sideways. Alright. And then I feel some wind here. And I felt some hail too. Ocean City was under a severe thunderstorm watch. Alright. But now we are not getting hit by it. So now there's no lightning, which is surprising. But yeah, no lightning. Alright. For now, it is barely raining. There is some wind, little. So it's not raining that much now. I put my hand out. It's barely raining. But we're gonna be fine, right? Alright. So yeah. Oh, there's lightning. Found lightning. Oh, I don't think we're supposed to be up this high. I don't think I'm supposed to be up this high during the lightning. Oh. Okay. But I went through worse. Definitely did. But now the winds are starting to calm. The rain is getting weaker. But yeah. Rain. Okay. We were under a severe thunderstorm watch and we got this. This is all we got. Still raining a little, but still raining a little. But I saw some lightning in the bay. What was that? Is that hail? Oh, I think it's starting to hail. Starting to rain harder. I was in the bottom to experience the wind and rain, but I can't because I can't get my tablet wet, and I can't get my hair wet because I might get sick. So, right there is the beach. Well, right there is the beach. Cannot see it. Alright. More rain. Oh. Okay, starting to get hit by some more rain. Oh. That's a little scary. But it's starting to rain harder again. So the storm hasn't left yet. Right. The storm hasn't left yet. Oh, it is starting to rain. It is starting to rain a little harder. Okay. Look at the rain dropping. Yeah. Oh, it's getting a little foggy because of the rain. But yeah. Rain. This is what we expect. Is that snow? Looks like snow. Imagine in the top floor because I'm in a 22-story building, which is a little high. Alright. And I'm 7 stories up. I'm in the 7th level. It's not that high. It's not that high. It's just 100 feet high. My thing's high for you, but it's not that high. I hope it doesn't flood. I hope it doesn't flood. Really, hope it doesn't flood. But you can look right here. There is some rain. Okay. Over here? Oh, you kind of see the rain going sideways. Oh, you see it. Right there. It's going sideways. Oh! I didn't hit that. Oh. Lightning struck. What if it strikes in my building? Will I feel it? Alright, so the storm hasn't ended. I think it's getting a little stronger. I think this is just the beginning. I heard it. They're scared. Because I've never been through a storm up this high. I never really do. Well, the cars are driving. Yeah, they are driving. Oh, another rain. Lightning. Lightning has struck. Like, go right there, see if there's some light. Oh, there is some lightning. Well, actually, I've been through a storm up this high. I actually did. I think. Oh. Should I go to the lobby? Because I never experienced a storm like this. It is getting stronger. Alright. Oof. Oh, lightning right there. It's getting a little foggy because of the rain. Oh, it's starting to flood. Oh, it is starting. It is starting to flood. Oh, should I go? No, I think I should go. Alright, guys, now I'm back. It is raining harder. Oh my gosh, it's raining harder. But there's not that much wind, it's just rain. So we're kind of good. Kind of fine, just a little scared. I never experienced a storm with lightning. Oh, that was like a gust. They should go back. Okay, I'm on. Alright, so guys, I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye, guys.